Hi guys, this is Heinrich and welcome to Ibiza. Behind me is the insane Villacanemo, and today we're gonna shoot some incredible real estate FPV. We arrived on Ibiza and had a full week of shooting ahead of us. The plan was to shoot the villa, but also show what the beautiful island has to offer in itself. So we took some time off in the first days to explore the island not only by car, but also by boats. And these Say Carbon speedboats invited us out to shoot some boat content and took us out for a ride. So we got the 5-inch drone out and started shooting right away. Alright, so we are here at Villacanemo to shoot some content for the booking agency. The whole villa is pretty new, everything got renovated and is looking very fresh, clean and shiny. And therefore we are here to shoot some social media content. And the goal here is to showcase the villa in its best way. So obviously we have the big pool over here. Then there's the main house and several guest rooms. I think up to 12 people can stay at this villa. Then there's an outside gym. There's an outside yoga place, outside dining and cooking area. We got a catwalk over there. The garden itself is huge and has a lot of places where you can lay down and enjoy the incredible view here on the ocean side of Ibiza. We got the awesome opportunity to be here, to shoot some FPV, to shoot some behind the scenes of how we do it. And I'll show you how we do it. We also took the Jeep out for a sunset vision that day on the west side of the island. And a lot of these roads are pretty steep and you need to have a 4x4 to get around these remote locations. The light was just perfect and we got some awesome footage. And that's it for today. Make sure to check out the main video linked down below from the Villacanemo here on Ibiza. Once again, it was an incredible time to be here and shoot this insane real estate. Make sure to check out the main video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.